Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video in my channel. I'm Gianluca, and in this video I will gonna show you how to fix this lag on Istanbul, guys. Okay, when you enter a new game, the interface is so fast, but the first game is so laggy, and the first and the second and all these games that you will do in this game it will so laggy. Okay, you start a new game and this is fluid until now, and you will see this lag, this hateful lag. Okay, and your game, it can be fluid. Okay, what you gonna do? Okay, what you gonna do? You're gonna put the game, the app, in a dual app mode or dual screen share mode. Okay, it just in the mode when you enter, when you want to put the game or the app in a dual app mode, when you have two windows on the screen, but you won't be open another app. You just put the mode. Okay, how you can do it more easily? Just three fingers up under over the screen and just back to normal, and you will see that fluid. Okay, I'm done. I'm wasted. I'm dead. I'm unclassified, but I can be enjoying now with a fluid game. Okay, I'm gonna exit and I'm gonna enter. Okay, just not exit to the game, just exit to this game, no to the app. And we're gonna play another round. Yeah, round, that's the word when I miss it. I don't know English. Okay, you can see now, which is so soft. Okay, it's so smooth, and you can now play another rounds with fluid game. And obviously I cannot classify.